Hi, my name's Jaclyn. I live in Lincoln Park. We're a family of three, and we decided to go solar a couple months ago, ultimately because we wanted to reduce our utility bills. We chose Infinity Solar because it was recommended by a friend, and we called Infinity, and we had an awesome sales rep, Pam, who really helped explain everything to us and showed us how much money we were going to save going solar. So for us, it was a no-brainer. It essentially was going to cut our electricity bills in half by going solar. So we felt like this was definitely the right choice for us. And then the service that we received from Infinity Solar really ultimately made us choose to go with Infinity Solar and get the panels installed.